Today I will show you the steps to replace the Henry corded cylinder vacuum dust bag. First, make sure Henry is powered off and the cable is unplugged. Next, pull the two clips on either side of Henry's hat outwards, then lift it using the top handle. Remove the filter. Carefully slide the bag's cardboard or rubber collar off the plastic intake tube. This is located behind Henry's nose. Now slide the new bag's collar onto the intake tube, ensuring the rubber seal sits firmly over the plastic lip to prevent leaks. Place the white filter back over the bag. Finally, put Henry's hat back on and lock it into place. All done. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video.